Hi everyone, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon Community. My name is Arceli, and if you are new, make sure and check out my How to Coupon video to get the basic concept of couponing, as I utilize stacking savings and rebate apps to maximize my savings. And also, here are some couponing tips to be mindful of. First tip, be organized and set a budget for items you plan on shopping for. Tip number 2, don't forget to clip all digital coupons to your Walgreens app before heading into the store. And finally, understand the type of promotion and what rewards you'll be receiving, as you don't want to leave Walgreens without your savings or rewards. In today's video, I will be going over this week's deals starting on May 14th through May 20th. Now, I did receive a new digital spend coupon of spend 25, get $10 in Walgreens cash. And there's also the earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $30 in allergy products if you haven't used it already. Plus, there's also that month-long digital coupon that tracks your purchases. And if you spend a certain dollar amount for each purchase, you will also earn Walgreens cash. And that will track through the end of the month through May 31st. So check to see what digital spend coupons you received this week and load them to your Walgreens account, as it is a one-time use. And also, it does vary by account, as not all accounts will receive a digital spend coupon. However, there's also a paper spend coupon that you can also use to also earn Walgreens cash. And yes, the paper and the digital spend coupons do stack together, but you must use the Pay Now option on your Walgreens app to make this happen. And this right here is where you save extra on your purchases, half off or a very low out of pocket. So let's go ahead and start with a few deals of the week. So when you buy participating items, you'll either earn back a registry reward or Walgreens cash from that promotion. But you must do these deals in separate transactions and must do them in store to earn that registry reward for each promotion. Starting off with Charmin Bounty promotion, on sale for $5.49 each, and on promotion when you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward. I didn't see any digital coupons, but you will pay $21.96 out of pocket, but get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, and a $5 P&G Visa card since your out of pocket is $20, making your final cost $11.96 or $2.99 each. Next, dental care, Crest Oral-B promotion, on sale for $3 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $3 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $3 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $3 registry reward, making these items free. Up next, Pampers is on sale, 2 for $21, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon available. Out of pocket is $18 when you buy 2, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward from the promotion and $3 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $11 or $5.50 each. Next, Olay Bath Care is on sale for $7 each, but on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $4 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $10 out of pocket, but get back a $4 registry reward from the promotion, making the final cost $6 or $3 each. Now, I did see Ibotta had some rebates on Old Spice products, but on specific ones. So make sure that you're scanning products in store, so that way you're not missing out on any rebates. Next, Head & Shoulder on sale. Buy 1, get 1 50% off, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $6.68 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward from the promotion and $3.25 from Ibotta, making the final cost free. A good razor deal. Gillette and Venus are on promotion. Buy 2, get a $10 in Walgreens cash this week. There is a $3 off digital coupon. Now, I thought I had seen a second $3 off digital coupon for Gillette razor, but I only found one. So in this case, you're going to pay $20 out of pocket, but you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash from the promotion, plus $5 for a P&G Visa card since your out of pocket is $20, making the final cost $5 or $2.50 each. Moving on to a different promotion on Olay Body Wash, the more expensive bottle. On sale, buy 1, get 1 50% off. And on promotion, when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. Now, I didn't see any digital coupons, so your out of pocket will be $16.48, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward from the promotion and $4 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $8.48 or $4.24 each if you like this product. Same promotion, but on Ivory soap bars. No digital coupon that I saw, so your out of pocket will be $4.48, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward. It's going to make the final cost 48 cents or 24 cents each. Same promotion again, but on Safeguard products. No digital coupons, so out of pocket will be $7.48, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward, making the final cost $3.48 or $1.79 each. Up next is a hair care deal. Axe, Dove, Suave, Tresemme products are on sale. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. And on promotion when you spend $25, you get a $10 registry reward. There are 3 digital coupons that I saw. There's a $3 off 2 Dove products, a $4 off 2 Tresemme products, and a $1 off for a Suave product. That's going to bring your out-of-pocket down to $17.95, but you'll get back a $10 registry reward, making the final cost $7.95 or $1.59 each. Very good deal, but stick around to see how I was able to stack savings and bring my out-of-pocket much lower for this deal. Now let's look at a couple of deodorant deals. Old Spice is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. I am showing a couple of digital coupons, one for $5 off and another for $3 off, bringing the out-of-pocket to $8.22. However, you'll get back a $5 registry reward, plus $6 back from Ibotta, making the final cost free. Or if you prefer Axe products, also on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. And on promotion, when you spend $20, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. I only saw a $2 off digital coupon, but in store, there are some $2 off paper coupons right next to the product, so make sure you look. But in this case, you'll pay $21.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 in Walgreens cash from the promotion and $12 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $4.96 or $1.24 each. And then also double check fetch rewards for additional points back. Moving on to a couple of laundry deals. Gain products are on sale for $5.49 each, and on promotion when you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward. There are 3 $1 digital coupons available, so you'll pay $18.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, making the final cost $13.96 or $3.49 each. And of course, my favorite laundry deal, Tide Simply Bounce Downy products are on sale, 4 for $9. And if you do have a couple of digital coupons still available, it's going to bring your out-of-pocket down to $8, so it's going to bring the final cost to $2 each. You can also use any Walgreens cash or extra registry rewards that you may have from last week if you want to bring your out-of-pocket down. Next, Scott paper products are $5 each. There is a $1.25 off digital store coupon, and there's a $1 off digital coupon that are applying when you buy 2 products. So you'll pay $6.50 out of pocket, submit to coupons.com for $1 back, making the final cost $5.50 or $2.75 each. Moving on to a few online deals and miscellaneous deals. We're going to start off with a Vaseline lip product. It's $2.19 each. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon, so it's going to make the final cost $2.88 or $1.44 each. Next, Pantene hair care on sale for $6, and there's a $5 off digital coupon, making the final cost $1. Awesome deal there. And under miscellaneous deals, a chocolate deal on Twix. There is a fetch reward, 1,000 points per each dollar, meaning it's going to reimburse the full amount, making the final cost free. And Home Complete aluminum foil is on sale, 2 for $2, so it's making each $1 each. And Oral-B floss picks, the smaller bags are $1 each. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that's applying, so it's actually making the final cost free. And finally, with my spend coupon that I received this week of spend $25, earn $10 Walgreens cash, there were so many deals this week that I decided to go with the promotion that had the items that I need this week, which is the hair care deal. So since it's already spending $25 on hair care deal, I didn't have to add any other promotion or items to meet that spend requirement. So after the digital coupons apply, I will be paying $17.96 out of pocket, but get back $10 registry reward and $10 in Walgreens cash for the digital spend coupon. So it's actually making all these items free. So that's definitely a win-win in my book. So I'm going to end my video here. Feel free to leave a comment down below what deals you're interested in and we'll be doing this week. And if you like these types of videos, please click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell for future couponing videos. Thanks everyone. Bye.